Papa,
Yeah?
I thought you want carry the cargo.
Huh? You thought
You will,
bit.
you will not take the cargo.
Come in. Hop,
Pauwi na kami, guys.
hop,
Ay,
hop.
magbibideo ako tungkol dito sa aking mga kasama. Ala. Why did you take the carrots?
Go. It's in boxes.
Okay, give it to me. Wala tong... Akin na. Only one?
Yeah.
Wala naman yatang basurahan. Doon pa malayo. Napo, Diyos ko. Ang aking kasama, guys. Medyo palipong-lipong. Ayan yung pinuntahan namin, no? Kailangan ko yatang magpicture muna bago umalis. So guys, magpipicture ako muna. Bye-bye muna.